Hi there. Most tech products are designed to do a practical job, but technology can also be used to bring joy into your life through its own merits. That's the case with the Sisyphus Mini, which is a kinetic art machine that draws soothing patterns in the sand. The Sisyphus Mini recently launched on Kickstarter, and has already raised more than $500,000, more than 10 times its funding goal. It's a smaller, tabletop-friendly version of the Sisyphus Kinetic art table that was launched on Kickstarter back in 2016. That first Kickstarter campaign raised nearly $2 million, which is the highest funded art project in Kickstarter's history. It was, however, quite expensive at $645 for a Sisyphus end table. Many people wanted a more compact and affordable version, which is where the Sisyphus Mini comes in. Like its big brother, the Sisyphus Mini is a CNC-controlled kinetic art machine that automatically draws patterns in sand. It's like a Japanese Zen garden that grooms itself. With the mobile app, you can control the patterns that Sisyphus draws. It does so with a small metal ball that rests in the sand, and is pulled around by a magnetic CNC mechanism that's hidden underneath. It comes with a variety of patterned tracks, and new tracks are frequently developed by the community. You can, of course, also create your own tracks to draw your own patterns. Thanks to you watching. Bye.